Welcome back to Mr. How Gardening Channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to do grafting the right way. In my short video, I showed you a quick version, but today I will explain everything in full detail so you can do it successfully at home. First, let me show you a demo. Before you graft on your real plant, always practice on a test branch first. This will help you avoid mistakes. Now, this is the branch we will use. First, make sure your knife is very sharp. A sharp knife gives a clean cut, and clean cuts heal faster. Now carefully remove the outer bark. Be very careful while cutting so you don't injure your hand. Next, we will make another cut on the opposite side. After that, we create a small opening or gap in the bark. Perfect. This cut is now ready for grafting. Now remember, you should always practice this technique on a spare branch first. Do not start directly on your main plant until you are confident. Now this is our grafting bud, also known as the scion bud. In this example, we are using a citrus plant. Now we will carefully remove the bud. Make sure the bud stays in the center. After removing it, smooth the cut gently. Once you smooth it out, you will notice something important. The bud separates into two parts, one portion on top and one portion below. Now we will trim it properly using scissors. Once it is trimmed, look at that. It looks clean and perfectly shaped. Now we are ready to place it. Insert the bud slowly into the cut you made earlier. Make sure the edges align properly. Once the edges match, the graft is basically set. Now we will wrap it tightly. Wrap it from the bottom and move upward, like sharpening a pencil shape. You can see how simple it is. No need to stress. This process is easy once you practice it a few times. Now remember, the most important thing in grafting is this. You need a healthy rootstock and a healthy scion. If the rootstock and scion match correctly, your grafting success rate can be extremely high. This method is not complicated at all. If you're a beginner, I recommend practicing first on a fig plant, because fig grafting usually gives very high success. After that, you can try it on citrus plants like orange and lemon. This is the rootstock. And once the rootstock and scion connect properly, the healing process begins, and the bud will start growing. That's it. I'm going to show you this grafting method step by step practically. First, clean the plant properly and remove any dust or unwanted leaves. Next, choose a healthy branch. The healthier the branch, the better your grafting success will be. Now we're going to prepare the cut, and we'll fit the scion perfectly into this branch. If you do it correctly, your results will be excellent, and you can already see how clean and smooth the cut looks. Once you practice this a few times, you'll become confident and you won't need anyone's help. Don't worry, I'm guiding you step by step. Now look closely at this cut. It's clean, sharp, and perfectly shaped. Next, we will make the upper cut. Even if you're a beginner, you can do this easily as long as your knife is sharp. And once you get used to it, this process becomes very fast. Now, we've created the slot where the graft will sit. Next, we'll attach the scion to this prepared cut. This is the scion branch we will use. Now we're ready to graft. This is a citrus plant, and this is the rootstock plant. We are going to graft citrus onto this rootstock. Just follow the same method I showed you earlier. The key is to work carefully and keep your cuts clean. Take your time. Gardening is all about patience. If you rush, the graft will fail. Now look at this cut. It's perfect. Next, we carefully remove the bud. This is the grafting bud, also called the scion bud. Now we will insert it into the prepared cut. You can see the scion has two sides. Now we trim it gently from one side to shape it correctly. Watch carefully. This step is very important. You must practice this method. First, practice on a small stick or test branch. Once you know the technique is working, then you can confidently do it on the real tree. For example, this is a citrus plant. You can use this method to change the variety. This is an orange plant, and you can graft it the same way. When done correctly, the scion will fit perfectly. Look how smoothly it slides into place. First, it locks in from the bottom, and then it fits tightly from the top. That's exactly what you want.
Make sure you seal it completely airtight. Use proper grafting tape or a plant wrap to secure it tightly. This prevents air from entering and keeps moisture locked in, which is critical for success. Once it's wrapped properly, your graft is protected and ready to heal. That's how simple and effective this grafting method is. If you're serious about gardening, you need to practice this technique. Confidence comes from doing, not just watching. Try it yourself and see the results. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more practical gardening tips. Share this video with other gardening enthusiasts. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I'll be happy to help. See you in the next video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.